Thank you, sir. I appreciate that. Okay, this
Thank you.
backside, honestly, it's nothing different. Volume for a cylinder is base area times height. It's the same as a prism, right? But in this case, a cylinder, or just a reminder, the base is a circle times height, okay? So similarly for a cone, I do have the demonstration ready, but I think you guys understand it already. It's still gonna work out, right? Whether you have like this cone and this cylinder, okay, if you guys see my face here, as long as they're the same height, okay, same height and same base area, then it's gonna be a 1:3 ratio. Okay, so still be the same. But of course, base area is a circle. Okay. Were you talking about my series, Umar? Just like class, right? Okay. Find the volume of a cone. These are pretty easy examples. So we're gonna I'll do this one real quick. Volume 1/3. Okay, still 1/3. Honestly, so if it helps you out, just write down the original and then you simply just substitute it. Pi r squared times h, okay? Because again, it goes back to identifying the base. Okay, in this case, the base is a circle, and that will alter your volume formula. Okay. Radius is 5 times my height, which is 12. Just going to simplify here. The 3 and the 12. So 25. Oh, is it 100 pi? Oh, that's cool. 100 pi. And here's if you guys notice, there's no units. So it's always nice to just put units cube. This lets the reader know that we are talking about a volume because it's in cubic measurements, okay? So there's no inches, there's no meters or feet, just put units cube, okay? All right. And let's do, try 2 on your own, and then we'll call it a day, okay? So I'm gonna pause it here, try 2, and then we will check our answers. Okay, I'm gonna start explaining it here. Okay, so it's from the top. Okay, just write down your formula, right? You know, it's a cone. Volume is 1/3 of that. And then the base is a circle, so area of a circle. To find that was pretty easy. Okay, your radius is 10 because it's half of 20. So you have the base area. And then the height is the tricky part. That's where we had to use our 45, 45, 90. Okay, so I took this triangle here. Okay, taking that triangle, you have 18, and 18 is opposite to 90. Okay, so opposite to 90. And then to go from 90 to 45, you need to divide by radical 2. So I took 18, divide by radical 2. Then when you divide by a radical, you can't have a radical at the bottom, so you need to rationalize it. And then you have 18 radical 2 over 2. So your height, simplify that, is 9 radical 2. Good job, Jason. And then, yeah, you plug everything in. Okay, 100 pi and then 9 radical 2. I simplified the 3's here. So this 1/3 and the 9. So I simplified that. And so here, this looks pretty clean in general, right? But do we see here we have 2 irrational numbers now, okay? Pi is irrational and radical 2 is irrational, okay? So in general, that's not very practical in terms of the math world. So I would prefer to simplify. And obviously, if you just read the directions here, you will get proper points if you just round, because that's what it told you to do. Okay. You can't be wrong if you listen to the directions on the quiz or test, okay? All right, let me pause it here.